Gautam, welcome to BBC Asian Network's The Alpa Pandya Show.
How's everything?
Everything's fine. How are you?
Don't ask. Tired. I finished my shoot late today, as in tonight. So after that, I went for my workout. Now home, waiting for your call. Now I'm with you.
It's so nice to have you on the show with us tonight. I know it's pretty late in India at the moment. What's the time there?
It's 2:50 a.m.
10 to 3 in the morning. Wow. Now, there's lots we want to know about you and the serial Saraswati Chandra. But first, let me tell you that we have a lot of Gujaratis here in the UK, as you know. और हमारा जो ये शो है, ये भी एक गुजराती शो है. And Saraswati Chandra जो सीरियल है, वो भी एक गुजराती कैरेक्टर और फैमिली पर आधारित है. तो गौतम, tell me, તમને ગુજરાતી આવડે છે?
नहीं, आवड़े छे. I'm a Punjabi man. I'm a typical hardcore Panju, but it's just that I love the show. I love portraying this character, and the novel Saraswati Chandra is a great novel. It's one of its kind, and it's a very famous novel all over India in terms of especially Gujarat. Mm-hmm. And it's been and the chapter of Saraswati Chandra is in schools as well. So that way, yes, it's very rooted. It's very connected to India, our culture. Yeah.
Now, Gautam, how does it feel to be playing the main character in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali project?
As in, if you take Saraswati Chandra as a project, it's a great project. It's a huge project in itself. And with that, Mr. Bhansali's name is joined. With that, Star Plus name is joined. So it's a plus everywhere in terms of the situation and in terms of a project. So definitely a person, whoever is playing such a character, is doing such a show for a great producer and a great channel and the number one channel of India as of now. So you definitely feel great about it. Yeah? And there are very few shows that are made on a guy's name. Basically, our serials, our television, especially Indian television, is owned and ruled by women. But and in this time, if you get to play a character which is not a periodic character or a mythological character, it's a real character, then you feel great. And it's today's time. It's today's story. It's today's love story. Definitely, we've taken the rights of the novel and the ethics and values of Saraswati Chandra, the older one, but it's presented in today's time, 2013.
Now, some people may not know this, लेकिन सरस्वती चंद्र से पहले आपने काफी प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑलरेडी कर लिए हैं, जैसे कि मॉडलिंग, वीडियो एल्बम्स, बॉलीवुड फिल्म में, ऑफ कोर्स राम गोपाल वर्मा की फिल्म अज्ञात में थे आप, और एक टीवी सीरियल जो पहले स्टार टीवी पे आती थी, वो भी एक गुजराती सीरियल थी, बा बहू और बेबी. उसके बाद आया नच बलिए. So you have been around in the industry for some time now. Would you say you've struggled to get to where you are now?
It's just that I believe in one thing. If you're an ambitious person, your struggle will never stop in life. See, if you, for an ambitious person, there's no goal. You just want to move forward in life. You just want to go ahead in life and achieve the best for yourself. See, for me also, it was the same thing altogether. As in, after one project after the other, you just want to climb in life. It's a long route for me. It's been a long route for me, but at the same time, it's paying off now.
And Saraswati Chandra is, like you said, it's a very old 18th century Gujarati novel. और उसी नॉवल पर ये सीरियल बनाई गई है, एक मॉडर्न रूप दिया गया है. तो आपने सरस के कैरेक्टर पर कोई रिसर्च किया है या ये नॉवल पढ़ने की कोशिश की है? मतलब ये कि how have you prepared yourself to mold into the character of Saras?
See, Saraswati Chandra, if you pick Saraswati Chandra right now, as a character, we've changed Saraswati Chandra's character a little. As in, I'm talking about his presentation. Right now, he's more aggressive in his way. In a way, he is different from the Saraswati Chandra of the novel and of the film that was presented in 1968 or 69. So right now, they gave me enough homework. I'm talking about Mr. Bhansali and the channel itself, where they gave me in terms of tips and nuances of the character, how they wanted their character to be. So they specifically told me don't read the novel or see the film because it's not related.
Okay.
So they gave me the tips, nuances, the body language of the character by themselves, and they told me we want the character to be shaped this way. So after I got those notes from them, so I prepared my homework according to their notes, and that's how I presented my character. It was, to be honest, it wasn't difficult as an actor. So because half of my work was already done by the channel as well as Mr. Bhansali.
Brilliant.
To prepare the character. In terms of they gave me the notes to prepare the character.
I was going to say, you come across very comfortable playing the character of Saras. Gautam, are there any similarities with you, Gautam Rode, and Saraswati Chandra?
Actually, there are many. That's what I want to say. As in terms of Saraswati Chandra, as a character, see, he's religious. Gautam Rode is religious. He respects his elders. Gautam Rode respects his elders. He goes to temple. I go to temple every day. And in a way, he helps people. And in my way, I try and do my bit in terms of helping people. So, not only me, as in I say it's you also that Saraswati Chandra can be compared to, because it's the same similar characteristics with him. Or like you, I'm asking you as a person, do you go? Are you religious? I'm just asking you.
Who, me?
Are you?
I am fairly religious, yes, I am.
So you also respect your elders, definitely. In a way.
Yes,
you
definitely.
Also help people in a certain way altogether, in your own way.
Mm-hmm.
So there's only one bit of Saraswati Chandra which Gautam Rode is not. So Saraswati Chandra is an introvert.
Okay.
Gautam Rode is an extrovert. That's the only characteristic about Saraswati Chandra that doesn't match more or less with Gautam Rode. Otherwise, more or less, he's similar to me. So that's why I love playing the character.
और उसीलिए आप उनसे मिलते जुलते हैं रियल लाइफ में भी. आपका जो कैरेक्टर जो आप पोर्ट्रे करते हैं सरस्वती चंद्र में, वो भी काफी आसानी से पोर्ट्रे करते हैं. I think that's the reason why, because you're so alike in real life as well as the character, right?
See, every character that an actor plays, more or less, you have that thing about that character in yourself. That's why you are able to kind of portray that convincingly on screen. So it's one thing or the other. That particular nuance about the character is there in you somewhere. I'm talking about maybe the emotion, maybe the body language, maybe the way he speaks, maybe the way he sits. Somewhere down the line, every actor, whatever character he or she plays, has that characteristic about the character in themselves. Maybe in a different way altogether, but they have. That's why then you elaborate it and play it your own way.
Okay.
That's how you become comfortable with the character.
All right, Gautam, we're going to go over to Facebook because there's quite a few people who have been posting their questions on Facebook as well. And Maria Kamran is saying she would really like to know how it was for you in terms of experience playing Sharman Kapoor in the movie Agyat.
Oh, hi, Maria. How are you doing? So it was a challenge because in a way, it was a grey character, a negative character, which turns positive in the end. And it was nice working with Ramu because he gives his actors a lot of freedom to perform. See, if he knows you know how to perform, he'll leave you open. He'll leave the field to you. He'll tell you to perform. One good thing about Ramu is he'll tell you to show a rehearsal to him, and accordingly he'll place his cameras. So he gives his actors full freedom to perform, and accordingly he puts his frame. So that's a very big thing for a director to do, because more or less people are egoistic. If they are, I am in a way a newcomer compared to Ramu, as in I'm talking about Ram Gopal Verma. Mm-hmm. So sometimes the people take it as an ego issue. See, how can an actor get into his framing? So in that way, he gives you a lot of freedom to perform. So it felt really nice playing that character and working with Ramu at the same time as an actor. So,
Thank you for answering that question. We've got so many other questions that we need to ask you, and there's so many other people on the line who want to speak to you as well. But Gautam, मुझे ये बताओ कि जो हवेली है जहाँ आप शूटिंग करते हैं, it's a beautiful palace. ये एक सेट बना गया है या फिर गुजरात में कुछ शूटिंग की है आपने?
जी, एक आउटडोर्स डेफिनेटली, जैसे हमने दुबई का आउटडोर्स किया है और उसके बाद गुजरात का आउटडोर्स किया है, राजकोट का आउटडोर्स किया है। उसके बाद हम जाके बॉम्बे में फिल्म सिटी में ये सेट है जिसका ये हमने जहाँ पे हम शूट करते हैं रोज। तो ये जो सेट है वो फिल्म सिटी के अंदर बना हुआ है, जो हमने पैलेस दिखाया हुआ है। तो ये फिल्म सिटी के अंदर एक सेट है जहाँ पे हम शूट करते हैं, तो particularly show ke liye.
Bhansali ji is a perfectionist. We know that, and he doesn't do things by halves. We all know that. We see that in his pictures as well, movies that he's done. वो कभी सेट पर आते हैं, उनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है स्क्रिप्ट्स पर?
जी, स्क्रिप्ट्स में इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है, स्क्रीन प्ले में इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है, सेट पे कम आते हैं बिकॉज ही इज बिजी शूटिंग हिज ओन फिल्म। सो बट स्क्रिप्ट्स पे और स्क्रीन प्लेस पे ही हैज अ मेजर पार्ट टू प्ले।
Right, okay. Does he actually comment? Because watching the serial, लगता है कि काफी सिंप्लिसिटी उन्होंने काफी कुछ किया है। Like for instance, Kumud's character is very simple.
This credit goes to our director Arvind Babul. As in, it's all his job that you see on television right now on screen. It's his magic right now. Arvind Babul, the director's name is. He's a wonderful guy to work with and a wonderful director. And Mr. Bhansali also praises him a lot for his work. So he has a little of Mr. Bhansali in him. I'm talking about the director. That's why most of the viewers that they watch our show, they think that Mr. Bhansali is directing it. But actually, it's Mr. Arvind Babul who directs the show.
Right.
So in a way, Mr. Bhansali is involved with scripts and screenplays, but the direction is done by Arvind Babul.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali is generally behind the screens as such. Scripts के साथ वो काफी काम करते हैं, लेकिन जो direction होती है वो ये जो बब्बल जी है वो करते हैं. Okay, well, thank you for explaining that, because काफी लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि संजय लीला बंसाली is behind it.
वही explain नहीं करना चाहता था. नहीं, he doesn't direct it. Mr. Bhansali doesn't direct.
Alpa Pandya on BBC Asian Network.
Let's talk about you, Gautam Rode को अपने फ्री टाइम में क्या आप करना पसंद करते हैं?
It's been 73 days now, 73 days and counting that I haven't got one single day off. So if you ask me about मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं भूल ही चुका हूँ मैं क्या करता था. अगर मैं अपना पुराना जमाना याद करूं, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कुछ महीनों पहले की, जिसमें मुझे कभी कभी ब्रेक मिलता था. उसके अंदर आई बेसिकली I like watching films. I like meeting friends for coffee, or love to work out. But it's just that right now it's very difficult to do any of these. I started working out again after a long gap because I have to, because I don't have an option. So that's why I started working out again. And the other things I miss doing, and I miss watching films. I miss meeting my friends. But this is the hardships that we got to go through. Everyone thinks that life of actors is very glamorous and very glorified. But trust me, it's very hard. It's very, very hard.
I know you're working very hard, because when you rang me this afternoon, you were still shooting for Saraswati Chandra as well. And I guess what a lot of ladies want to know, अभी जो Facebook ऊपर काफी comments आ रही है कि काफी ladies को ये जानना है कि are you single के married?
I am single. I'm happily single as of now. It's just that who will stay with me, man? I hardly get a day off. Whoever is there with me will run away, man, because it's been crazy like that, and I think I'll be working like this for quite some time now. So,
I'm sure there'll be so many ladies there who'd want to be with you, including myself. Oops, I didn't say that, but hey ho. अब आप कैसी लड़की की तलाश करते हैं? कोई बात नहीं, कैसी लड़की की तलाश करते हैं?
यार ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं होता कि कैसी लड़की की तलाश करते हैं. ये मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं हो सकता अकेले का, सामने वाले का भी हो सकता है. मतलब it's just that you just have to be compatible with your partner. That's about it. That's the only thing I look out for. Nothing else. देखिए, सबको ऑनेस्टी चाहिए होती है, सब वही प्रिटेंड बातें होती हैं. मुझे अच्छी लड़की, सुंदर लड़की चाहिए, मुझे ऑनेस्ट लड़की चाहिए, मुझे मतलब वो टिपिकल आंसर होते हैं सबके. लड़का लो या लड़की लो, बेसिक वन चीज है, अगर आप एक दूसरे के साथ कंपैटिबल हैं, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अ पर्सन कैन हैव इन अ रिलेशनशिप. अगर कंपैटिबिलिटी नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है. अगर एक दूसरे को समझते ही नहीं है, आप जितनी भी चीजें ले लीजिए, आपकी आदतें सेम मिलती हो, आप बहुत गुड लुकिंग हो, आप बहुत ऑनेस्ट भी हो, मगर आपकी जो कंपैटिबिलिटी लेवल ही जीरो है, तो वो सारा फेल हो जाता है कुछ टाइम के बाद, कुछ महीनों के बाद या कुछ सालों के बाद जाके। तो सब सेम ही होती है, सब एक ही आंसर देता है।
Let's see if we can find a compatible lady for you tonight. Are you a foodie?
I'm not a foodie at all, yeah. I'm not a foodie. So that's maybe a blessing in disguise for me, because as actors, you gotta be fit all the time. So if you're a foodie, you're in a little problem. So for me, it's not that I, what's that saying? You live to eat, and my thing is different. As in, it's just that I eat just in terms of I eat because the acidity shouldn't settle in. So in a way, it's more or less on those lines for me. Rather than I can live without food, but so it's that for me.
Okay, a vegetarian or non-veg?
I'm a vegetarian.
Wow, you're a vegetarian. I like that. So am I. Star sign आपकी क्या है?
Leo.
और आपका फेवरेट गाना क्या है?
फेवरेट गाना क्या है? ओके, गाने तो बहुत सारे हैं। आजकल जो पसंद आ रहा है मुझे वो नौटंकी साला का वो मेरा दिल, मैं गाना बहुत गंदा गाता तो प्लीज करवाइएगा मत। ये वाला गाना काफी पसंद आ रहा है आजकल।
And Gautam, if you weren't an actor, what would you have liked to be?
I would have been a stockbroker. My dad was a member of Delhi Stock Exchange. He was a stockbroker in his times. So I thought that after I finished my graduation, I'd join my dad's business. But he retired, he sold off the ticket. So I didn't have much to do. So I was already modeling in college. So that's how I got introduced to acting. So yeah, I didn't want to become an actor, but now this is the only thing I know.
Okay,
so yeah, I love this thing.
स्टॉक ब्रोकर की बातचीत चली रही है, तो एक सवाल मैं आपको ये भी कर दूं कि अभी आज हम शो पर एक ये बात कर रहे हैं कि गोल्ड प्राइस, सोने का जो भाव है वो बहुत ही कम दाम पर आ गया है। तो what is your take on gold? Do you think it's good to stock up gold? Because as Asians, we like to stock up on our gold.
Gold in terms of, especially my mom, she always says that two things are very important to store in terms of, one is property, the other is gold. So a person who is a sensible person should invest in both of them at the same time. So yeah, so these are my thoughts, me and gold at the same time.
What is your final word to your fans at the moment who are listening at home and across the world at the moment?
See, I don't call them fans. They are my admirers. They are my friends. They are the ones who made us. In a way, they watch us. So we get TRPs and we are there. They watch us. That's why people are there on screen. So I think fan is a very small word for them. So admirers and friends is a better word according to me, and I genuinely believe in that. I definitely say that I'll keep entertaining them. I'll keep entertaining my friends. I'll keep entertaining my admirers as long as I live. And I'll keep doing better work so they enjoy it and they cherish it. And at the same time, they keep watching it. So I'll do my best to entertain them. Yeah. And please do watch. If you like or if you don't like, then just your suggestions are always welcome. And I'll try and improve myself as much as I can.
I don't think anybody can fault your acting in Saraswati Chandra, Gautam. Especially, कई बार ऐसा भी लगता है कि आप कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं, लेकिन आपकी जुबान काफी कुछ कह जाती है. Just your facial expressions, just your mouth, and just your eyes actually say a lot without you saying anything within the scenes of Saraswati Chandra.
That's what I love about the character, to be honest. That's what that's honestly not an easy thing to do. So as actors or as performers, if we get dialogues, so it's very easy for a person to say things because you have something to say. But once you don't have anything to say, and still you got to come as in just say your thought across, or say your thought means just put it across without even opening your mouth. So, and if you're able to do that, then maybe you are there in terms of your acting abilities are not bad, and see, I'm a very modest person at the same time. I'll not elaborate and say, oh, I am very good at what I do. I am good at what I do. I'm confident in what I do. So, and that's what I love about the character at the same time, because he doesn't say much, but at the same time he says a lot.
That's what I mean. ज्यादा कुछ कहते नहीं है, लेकिन जब भी कुछ कहते हैं बहुत कुछ कह जाते हैं. Gautam, I'm going to have to leave it there. It's been an absolute pleasure having you on the show. Thank you for joining us.
Same. Thanks a lot, Gautam.
आधी नींद से उठाया है आपको, और इसके लिए माफी मांगती हूँ मैं.
बिल्कुल नहीं. I enjoyed talking to you, talking to all of them, and just keep having me. I'll be there all the time.
Thank you once again. And before you go, आपका Twitter ID बता दीजिए ताकि हमारे जो listeners हैं वो भी आपके साथ connect हो सके.
हाँ जी, एक सेकंड, मुझे खुद को भी नहीं पता मेरा.
@Gautam_Rode is your Twitter ID.
Great. Just repeat that for all of them.
Yes. All right. Well,
Gautam_Rode.
Thank you and good night and God bless.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Bye.